Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you guys an easy Diwali makeup tutorial. So for that I'm going to take this warm orangey shade from the Morphe jaclynhill Vault, and this is called the Ring the Alarm palette. So I'm applying that warm orange shade all over my crease as my transition shade using a fluffy brush. This is from Sigma and it is called the E40 brush, and I'm just diffusing that shade and applying it as my transition shade. Next I'm going to take this dark brown shade on the same brush and I'm just carefully placing that on the outer end and then slowly blending it towards the crease and also the inner corner. Now I'm going to take this gold shade, which is so beautiful, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelids using my finger. I'm just applying that on the first half of my eyelids, and then I'm going to take that brown shade and blend it towards the gold shade. And just making sure everything looks blended. That's it. Moving on to the face, I'm applying this MAC Strobe cream all over my face as my base. And now I'm going to apply foundation, which is the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade 320G, and I'm buffing that onto my skin using another Sigma brush, which is the F80 brush, and I'm just slowly buffing that foundation onto my skin. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Age of One concealer underneath my eyes to conceal and highlight, and also on the bridge of my nose and chin, and I'm just patting it and blending it. I'm going to set the concealer using the Huda Beauty Easy Way powder in the shade Blondie and applying these gorgeous lashes by Rina Hussain. I will leave the link in the description box below from where you can shop this. And what is Diwali makeup without applying some kajal? Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and apply that really close to the lash line and create like a smoked out look. And I'm using the Sigma shader brush. I'm taking this mustard orange shade and blending it out to create a little bit of softness. So moving on to bronzer, I'm going to apply this KIKO FlawlessFusion bronzer. I'm just warming up my face using this and applying it on my cheeks, on my forehead, and a little bit on my jawline. And for blush, I'm going to apply my favorite Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and it's a beautiful warm blush and it just gives me that beautiful warmth to my cheeks. Now for highlighter, I'm going to apply the Makeup Forever Profusion highlighter, and I'm just applying that using a small blending brush onto my cheekbones. Now I'm going to line my lips using an Essence lip liner. I think this is in the shade Frappuccino. And then I'm going to apply this gorgeous lipstick by NYX, which is their new NYX Suede lipstick. And this is just a beautiful color. It's very creamy and very beautiful. I just love this lipstick and this lip color so much. It's just really beautiful. So I'm just applying that all over my lips, and that's the completed look. I love the fact that this is a very easy look to do, but yet it's so beautiful and bold. So it's perfect for Diwali, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Bye bye!